Hey, welcome. Time to embark on another project. This is going to be a sim crossover, so bear with me. In the off season I fly simulator, keep my eye on and so forth. So I've got a rotor seal one and a real one, a surrogate Talon frame. In liftoff, which is what I fly in the off season, they now have both these frames. They've had the Talon for a fair while and we've recently got the CL1. So what I'm going to do is build two quads, but hopefully will correlate to two quads what I can fly in the sim when it's cold and dark. Sabotage RC Booty 2306s, 2305s, 2306s, which will be for the freestyle. I'm going to butcher one of my other quads, put all the gubbins in there. Predator V3, go in the CL1, blue to match. Did get some smaller standoffs to do a drop deck on it. Picked up a TVS Unify. In future videos I'll go through all the frames, the builds and everything, and we'll see how it correlates. So I don't know if it's been done before, but it's worth having a go. And if I do sort of line up side by side with the virtual, all the more better really, isn't it? Catch you later. Here, Billy. Hey.